Good morning from Curaçao. We started the day with a light breakfast, finishing whatever fruit we had left with some coffee before heading to a local market to restock the fridge and grab a proper meal. After our second breakfast, it was time to hit the road. Today's destination is about 40-minute drive from the hotel, but we are making a quick stop just 5 kilometers before the beach. There's a salt flat right by the road where flamingos usually hang out, so we're hoping to catch a glimpse of them on the way.
On oikealla.
We spotted them from the road almost immediately. When the water level is low, it's sometimes possible to walk further into the area, but we were perfectly happy with the view we had from this side of the salt flats. This site is also home to a memorial for the first battle won by freedom fighters during the largest slave revolt in Curaçao's history. It's a powerful place to stop and reflect on the island's past before moving on. With those thoughts in mind, we continued the final stretch towards the coast. From here, the beach is only about 10 minutes away. After you pass the church, the road gets a bit bumpy, so I would recommend easing off the gas, but it's only a short drive before you're back on the smooth asphalt. Cute little piglets managed to disappear while we were parking, but at least this big hawk was still hanging around. I'm glad we got to see it then, because once we got to the beach, the pigs were nowhere to be found, which meant the only bacon frying in the sun was us. Which one is it? left side of the beach ended up being our favorite part. The shoreline has beautifully smooth sand, and you can find these really interesting cave-like holes carved into the rock by the ocean. We took the same familiar route back to the hotel. In the evening, traffic on the main roads leading into Willemstad can slow down quite a bit. We weren't in a rush, so it wasn't a problem, but it's worth noting that merging at some of the intersections can get a little more challenging during rush hours. Back at the hotel and ready for dinner, we walked over to Mambo Boulevard to check out the restaurants. We were pleasantly surprised by the food, and as you can see, I wasn't the only thing cooked medium by the end of the day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the views as much as we did. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the trip. See ya, bye!